Did you know that inflation is like a silent thief creeping into your wallet and eroding the value of every dollar you've worked so hard to earn? Your favorite $5 coffee today could cost $7 or more in just a few years. That's inflation, and it's not a distant threat. It's happening right now. If you're between 18 and 40, living in the USA, and dreaming of a life filled with wealth and freedom, listen up. You cannot afford to let inflation dictate your future. Your financial destiny hinges on the choices you make today. But here's the good news. I'm about to arm you with the tools to fight back. The clock's ticking, and with prices rising, every second you wait chips away at your purchasing power. In this video, I'll unveil 5 powerhouse assets that can not only shield your portfolio from inflation but help you thrive in its wake. Stick with me because by the end, you'll hold the keys to securing the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Now, let's dive into the solution. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, the 5 assets that can beat rising prices. First up, real estate. This is your inflation-proof fortress. As prices climb, so do property values and rental income. It's like playing Monopoly, but instead of passing go, you're the one collecting rent while others scramble. And who doesn't want to be the landlord in that game? Fair warning, though, it's not as simple as rolling the dice. But is real estate the only way to stay ahead? Not by a long shot. Next, we've got commodities. Think gold, silver, or oil. Tangible assets that shine when inflation strikes. Why? Because their prices often surge as production costs rise. Gold's been the heavyweight champion of value for centuries. Imagine it as your portfolio's superhero, swooping in to rescue your wealth from inflation's grip. Excited yet? You should be. It's not just bling, it's brilliance. Now, for something a little less flashy but just as fierce, Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS. These government bonds are engineered to outsmart inflation. Their principal grows as prices do, ensuring your investment keeps pace. It's like a financial umbrella. When inflation pours down, you're dry and secure. Simple yet powerful. But wait, there's more. Let's talk stocks. Not every stock makes the cut, but those in sectors like energy, utilities, or consumer staples. They're inflation warriors. These companies can pass rising costs to customers, safeguarding their profits and yours. Ever heard, don't put all your eggs in one basket? With the right stocks, you're juggling multiple inflation-proof baskets like a pro. Finally, here's the wild card, cryptocurrencies. Controversial? Sure. Volatile? Absolutely. But assets like Bitcoin, with their capped supply, have some calling them digital gold. They're the spicy kick in your financial recipe. A little can add flavor, but too much might burn. So tread carefully here. Is it a gamble worth taking? Only you can decide, but one thing's clear. It's got potential to keep inflation at bay. The resolution. Time to tie it all together. You've just discovered 5 assets to inflation-proof your portfolio. Real estate, commodities, TIPS, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Each one's a weapon in your arsenal, ready to protect and grow your wealth as prices rise. The secret sauce? Diversification. Don't bet on just one. Spread your investments wide to stand tall against any economic storm. But here's the kicker. Beating inflation is just the start. Want to know the real magic behind building a fortune? It's called the power of compounding. A force like a snowball rolling downhill, growing massive over time. Curious? Good. Click the link on the screen to watch our next video and unlock how compounding can transform your financial future. Don't wait. This is the secret to turning your dreams into dollars. As Warren Buffett wisely said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, keep learning, keep investing, and charge toward that wealthy lifestyle you're destined for. You've got this.